Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive, unlatch and remove the base cover. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify and slide the tab to unlatch the hard drive assembly. Disconnect the cables and lift the assembly to remove it. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it to the system. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Reinsert the hard drive assembly and reconnect the cables. Relatch the assembly. Place the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.